Gaachturis either generation ha mi farcin donna oedd chanawn syr mapagin leid sy'n awma ha sy'n. Right. I'm mentioning gyfer rydgyn ac un as asge lunning. Sy'n fawr fel fe mac yn dal ach ni sy'n fast travel go oxen fyrtjar. Ai. Dírach musta hasich mi va update awn san remme ha seo so chi sin ma ha an sayat efo sin dal noch go gyddiist mar a vacin ja. Right, cael sin dal. Y tyfat. Okay. Sin ac Assassin's Creed. Nice. Shall an inchnach. So ja, ma ha seo. Mis mention gyda rydych yn ffasg o laid. Beth yw gyda fiach lys. Colas gyfele nes. Dwli ein na fa fi'n dwli. Cosgi sy'n minach ag a fiach y yw sy'n iawn. Fiach fai sy'n iawn. Cymru Yoshi na stein hyn. La ila. Dúhais yn dal o lunning. Nist ha lunning yn nochgig an a gemme ila Assassin's Creed and a Assassin's Creed Syndicate to mismention sy'n steigtje Rìgh Victoria an a lunning. Ach fi ag yma etrialictje fi dal awn ha mismention Fasgir míle blian ar an sin. Lug I bhéir dhécht ní bhí min dhéana site. Yeah, fa mi nuair a raim mi had an quest ar san Granta Bridge shit. Va da haiad acum gopar a da huras. So hí sin me ha sin dal hachirstu díist. Ach ai. Yeah, ag jerig stream jerig hwyd mi a chachgrach gyda sy'n y cantin H gan at seo agus losk peace pepper fel an anamacat agus raim mi sy'n o'r hacatri sy'n I anu ra yna caran dusk sy'n gema ra yna chierig so fa ffeim ac am sy'n I anu car lua so raim mi sy'n ach a colas gyfeil sy'n y gwybod caran mad san dynia gwa had Assassin's Creed Odyssey a clich a colas gyfeil sy'n y gwybod caran mad na bounty hunters ans ag ma ha sy'n ma ha cwyd gyn ysgrifig yn animacat agus gachwyd gynna zealots animat cloch gyda san na dyniad so ag ma sio hello Bi dyniad sy'n asta iau agus ad dyrf safach yna I mar gybych so ai chi sy'n a lunning chi sy'n a yw sy'n awn Balabic I hag ma etriality fi dal fo fi clich Dark Souls go fi clich seo or as game seo ha dyni as gyd y brin mu yn Jane Hain agus mu na farach gyniachga agus na had giri Janu agus Dark Souls na zasgi tá se chan sac fi rutan na chwrcala u hain
The Cripple Gate of London might find an official worth his salt here.
Okay. Painio Penelvision. Ovov ha mi come canting ha lunning grat hast. Yeah.
We'll have this all cleaned up in no time. Keep it steady, huh?
I
better, Master Ame. You'll be on your way shortly, huh?
Is go seo.
Something of a shepherd, aren't you?
It can feel that way, aye.
Keeper.
Can I help you with something?
Who governs this burr? I would like to speak with him, if I can.
Ah, the Governor Rìgh. Good and fair Dane come to London 4 year back.
Rìgh?
Aye, most hours of the day you can find him at the old villa, dealing with all manner of knavery. Stow!
Go seo. Agus a village jacket. Cos go bhfuil.
Avgus wants his cut of the summer harvest. Shit, Carl. Huh? What's the holdup?
We're talking.
Gentlemen, the farmers of Mercia have paid their burden already. If Avgus wants more, he can petition for it.
Petition for it? Well, you can tell that old mud merchant that if he wants his apple, he can bob for it.
Belongs to Master Ame, sir.
Bob for it!
That is filthy.
Bob for it!
Ok, is talainn je fertha seo colas.
Pay for your sins!
Is this kind of noise common to London?
Now, we've a quiet day once in a great while. And try not to kill anyone, eh?
And well, your face is a skull capstone!
What's
Oh,
your head
woof.
there?
Eyes on your own!
Seo na ascéad WWE nerd. Should you?
God in heaven, you fight like the devil's stolen your bread.
You give some hard knocks yourself.
Road, be a good lad and prick the names of those that pay their food tax, will you? Right then. You've some dealings with Governor Rìgh, is that it?
I'll have dealings with any who can deliver a fair friendship with my Raven clan. If that's you, then all the better.
Ah, no. Rìgh's your fellow. I'm the Shire Reeve of London's westerly half. I keep things ordered and fair.
Shire Rìgh is not a name that rides easy on the tongue.
Reeve's my title, sorry. Stow's my name. Stow of London.
Come a second, pick and flirty, you know?
A burly name for a burly man. I like one who can hold himself in a brawl.
To walk tall in London, a man must know how to swing his fists.
It's not empty praise I give.
Well, your candor is appreciated.
Tell the weaver.
Take me to your governor, Stow. He sounds like a man worth knowing.
Right then. Station field, flock shepherded, and off to Rìgh we go.
Dark Souls 3, how many has to Dark Souls 1? Tell me after the clichis me ekalaram. Yeah, Misha Kujak logi bed. Fame me click it a lie. Can you go click it and I hate it.
I owe you a great debt, Eve.
Ovov had latchet. A house on a latchet. A shinajidach. Shinajidach.
So this is London. A city built by giants.
So they say. She's an old place, silly as they come. But there's a mystery here I quite adore. I was raised here, in fact. Learned the scriptures of Christ's apostles in Lundenwich. I was Saxon Borough, just past the
Lundenwich.
You're not a priest, are you?
No. No, I was raised by it. And for a penniless bastard, I turned out pretty well.
A penniless bastard, and now London's fearless Reeve.
Well, it's Rìgh who saw something in me. He judges not the circumstance of my birth. His two hands, left and right, are me and a Dane-born soldier, Erke. Erke's an orphan of the last Viking horde put down in London for a season. 2 or 3 years back now, it must have been. It's through Rìgh I met Erke, and now we Reeves walk the city like parents looking after our children. A native son and an imported Dane. See, London's a city built of many pieces. Wait. Something's wrong.
Iron on the ear. This blood is fresh.
These were good men. What's happened here?
Oof. Oof, oof, oof.
God, no. No, no, no.
It took 3 arrows to kill him. The next 12 were an insult.
Yuck.
Oh Lord,
Karen Garab.
men with the light of thy countenance visiteth and shines upon them.
You've no need for outsiders, Stowe. It's a private matter.
There's no cause to be leery. Eivor had my back in a brawl at Cripplegate. More thugs from the garrison.
You must be a real broker to hold your own against those shithogs. It's time to fatter those men, Stowe. You can't go on like this.
You must be Erke, London's second Rìgh.
R.K. Botelson, yes I am.
Botelson.
Are you telling me this gut bucket called me second Rìgh?
First in the Eastborough. The man I trust with my life.
Stowe's never been a good judge of character.
Erke, this is Eivor. She came to me
Eivor.
with Rìgh to seal the bonds of friendship with the clan.
He would have welcomed you heartily. He was a trusting man. And I got him here.
Have you found anything?
I just arrived. The killers left a ladder on the body there.
I'll have a look around.